Hello friends, this is going to be a video on how to remove a door panel on a 98 Ford F-150. This is the passenger side, and I got a bad window motor. I've already replaced the one on the driver's side, so I'm going to try to explain to you what to do. These trim pieces here, like you see, so there's one here, there's a small one here. Well, they just pull off. They just pull off. That's it. They're off. And then you'll have a little plastic cover that houses the buttons for the electric windows, etc. That will just pry up a little bit with a screwdriver, and that'll just pull off as well. I already took that off. These are the electronic buttons here. One for the locks, one for the window. Alright, what I'm going to do now is, it's an 8mm bolt that holds on the door handle. This door handle here is only held on with an 8mm bolt. I put some axle grease in here to hold it, kind of hold it like glue, so that it doesn't drop into the door panel when I remove the nut. So I'm now going to take off this 8mm nut. Which you see here, and as you can see, the door handle just eases right out through the hole there, and the nut stays on because of the axle grease I put on here. Otherwise it could have fallen off and gotten trapped in the door panel and started rattling. So I'm just going to lay these on the inside of the truck for now. Since I have all that off, the only thing left basically now holding this door panel on is the little clip brackets that clip in and clip out and up here. So what you do is, when you're ready to take the door panel off after the other stuff was off, you'll gently grab it up in here and kind of wiggle it and lift upward and out. Okay, as you can see, I just did. Now there is a little light bulb in here that's this little light bulb here. It just lights up the door panel in here, this little panel light here. Well, it just gives a little twist and then it comes off. So as you can see now, the whole door panel's off the truck. Here's what it looks like from the back side. Here's what the little clips that hold it on look like. All they do is lift up. It's a more of a basic, easier panel to change. This is the inside of the door panel here, the door. What I'm going to do now is remove this rain cover, which I'm going to show you in another video, because all this takes time, or well, maybe I can show you now, I don't know. Anyway, to remove this rain cover, you just gently pull on it. You don't really need to remove the whole thing, don't believe, but as you can see, I'm gently pulling on it best I can here. I don't want to remove any more than I have to get to the motor. Alright, I'm going to stop here and make another video to pick up here where I leave off, because I don't want to make these videos too long, and I just want to remove just enough of this rain cover as I can to get to my motor, and I'll show you in the next video the next step. Okay, have a good day.